Welcome to 11 West Shore Drive. Enjoy beautiful sunrises and sunsets from this must-see lakefront home with over 70 feet of frontage on pristine 250-plus acre Paupackan Lake. This raised ranch has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and an open floor plan with 2 living room areas, one with a cozy freestanding wood stove. Walk out of the basement to a grassy, level, park-like yard facing the lake. A great spot for entertaining guests. Don't forget about the whole house propane-powered generator for additional peace of mind. Community amenities include a beach area, hiking trails, a large pavilion, road maintenance, security, playgrounds, sports fields, and more. Paupackan Lake is a clean body of water that is great for swimming, electric power boating, canoeing, kayaking, and of course, fishing. Conveniently located within minutes of Interstate 84 and close to the town of Hawley for all your shopping and fine dining needs. Make the call today to schedule an appointment to see this beautiful lakefront property.